Hi, I just wanted to show prospective buyers the difference between the standard manual control machine and the remote control machine. So obviously we have the big benefit of the remote control that you can take it into a lot more rugged terrain and you can be a lot safer. The thing is, with the remote control, there's a start up and shut down procedure that you have to do every time, which makes the general day-to-day use of the remote control a little bit more cumbersome than the simple standard machine. So, as you probably have seen from plenty of videos, to start the Sherpa on a standard machine, it's quite simple. Find the choke down the bottom there, make sure everything's shut down, turn the key. And to turn it off is just as simple. The height control on the other side here is all manual on the Sherpa. So, on the engagement of the blades, again, one movement manual. So that's very simple and not hard to operate at all. With the remote control, when you want to use the remote control machine, you need to make sure that this lever here is in either the manual control or the remote control position, depending on what you want to do. The moment we're going to start it in manual, just to show you the difference between the standard machine and also the remote control. So for the remote control, if you were going to start, first you need to turn on this switch here, which actuates the remote control unit. Then we turn on this switch and wait for the two units to communicate with one another. Hear that beep? That means that we can now toot this horn and it's ready to start. The starting procedure now, again, put it into the choke position, push the button. Stop the machine, we have to either turn on this switch here or push this button here. No problem, but it does mean that if you want to start the machine again, you have to go through the same procedure. Also, on the remote control, the cutting deck is no longer a manual operated deck. It has an electric actuator and the deck goes up and down on this lever. So you need to operate the cutting deck and the engagement of the deck on this switch here. So instead of just doing it manually and simply, like on the standard machine, it requires this action to be done here. This unit clips in here for manual operation, so that you can operate all of those features from here. So it's not really a problem or hard to do, but it does slow down your day-to-day procedure. So if your operation of the machine is mainly not too steep and you're just running around as normal, then you may not need to actually add all of this complexity to your machine. But if you do need it, then it's there too, available. As far as the rest of the operation of the machine goes, it's much the same. Everything else operates the same. When you want to select remote control, you simply pull this lever over to here and then take the remote control out of the cradle and operate it as a remote control machine, as per the many other videos already on YouTube. So that's it. Just wanted to show you the difference between the two so you know that if you buy a remote control machine, it's not quite as simple as the standard machine.